Hello YouTube, welcome to my old school RuneScape free-to-play splashing guide. This guide will show you how to get from 1 to 99 magic with little to no money at all. This is the setup you're going to want if you're under 40 range, and this is the setup you're going to want if you're above 40 range. Notice the difference of the Staff of Fire and Green D'hide Vamps. The goal is to get minus 65 magic here. Now if you're under 40 range, unfortunately you need to get a cursed goblin staff, which is located at Draenor Village, which I'll show you on the map. Once you arrive at Draenor Village, you're going to want to trade Django, and he will sell you a Cursed Goblin Staff for 45 GP. Once you got your gear set up, you're going to want to select your Elemental Strike here, and find a Rat and Lumbridge over here. And you could just go away from your keyboard or away from your phone, depending on how you're playing, for about 15 to 19 minutes. In that time frame, you're going to want to click on your screen, move it around, do something to interact with the screen. Otherwise, your character will continue to be attacked by the rat while casting nothing in return. What you're also going to want to do is click accept aid to off, just in case a player wants to interfere with you. And that pretty much sums it up. You'll get about 13,000 XP per hour here doing Fire Strike. A detailed chart will be included in the description below for the time it will take you to get to 99 and the cost it will take you to get to 99 with Fire Strike, Firebolt, and Fire Blast, since these are all viable free-to-play methods. However, I recommend you only do Fire Strike. Please subscribe for more videos, drop a comment as to what guide you would like to see next. Thank you.